Hello kids, let's know about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and why is Children's Day celebrated on 14th November in India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th November 1889 at Allahabad. His father's name was Pandit Motilal Nehru, who was a famous lawyer. His mother's name was Swarup Rani. Jawaharlal Nehru got his early education at home. Later, he went to England for higher education. He graduated from the Cambridge University. In 1912, he returned to India. In 1916, he got married to Kamala Nehru. In 1920, Jawaharlal Nehru joined the non-cooperation movement started by Gandhiji. He took part in the civil disobedience movement. In 1942, he also joined Quit India movement. Jawaharlal Nehru was sent to jail many times. Finally, on 15th August 1947, India got her freedom. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. He was one of the greatest leaders in India. Jawaharlal Nehru was a true diplomat. He was the founder of Panchsheel. He was a lover of Indian culture. He wrote such famous books as Autobiography, The Discovery of India, and Glimpses of World History. He loved children very much and was called Chacha Nehru. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day all over India because of his love and affection for children. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru passed away on 27th May 1964. His death was mourned by the world.